All right, today we've got an iPhone 15 Pro Max in for repair, and it's in pretty bad shape. The screen is completely shattered, there's a crack on the frame, and on top of that, the phone has a serious issue. It's stuck in a data recovery loop. When we turn it on, we see display lines, and after entering the password, it keeps reloading, but doesn't actually work. The customer says the data is really important, so we need to be extra careful. We're going to replace the display, swap out the damaged frame, and do some work on the motherboard to fix the software issue. So, let's fix everything one by one. Here, you can see the connector that links the upper and bottom layers is damaged from the fall. This is most likely causing the data recovery issue. So before anything else, I'm going to fix this first and see if that solves the problem. After fixing the pads, I put it on a testing fixture to see the recovery problem was solved or not. All right, let's turn on the device and see if the problem is solved. Entering the password, and yes, the recovery issue is fixed and the data is safe for now. But those damaged connectors aren't just for data transfer. They also affect mobile network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, and more. So first, let's test the Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi is working fine. Now, checking mobile service. And there it is. The mobile network isn't working. The modem firmware hasn't recovered properly. At this point, we have two options. We can try repairing the damaged PCB, but in this condition, it won't last long. So the best solution is to transfer all the ICs to a new motherboard. That way, we're keeping the original components intact while making the phone work like new at a much lower cost than an official service center. Now, I'm carefully removing all the ICs and transferring them to a new motherboard. And to keep this video short, let's jump straight to the part where the new frame and board are installed.